Whoa! Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz. Hey, today I'm going to be making some paper planes. You want to make some with me? We're going to see which one flies the best. Let's do it. All right, my mates. First, we're going to have to start with some paper. OK, so first we need to fold it in half. Yeah, OK, cool. Now, step 2, we need to make two triangles, OK? Tapatoru. Step 3, we're going to fold our big triangle over. Awesome. Now we're going to take our little itty-bitty-witty triangle and we're going to fold that over our 2 big triangles. Fold down our wings on each side. 1. You can make them however you want. It doesn't matter, whānau, you can just wing it. OK, and there it is. Perfect. OK, I want to make some more. Let's do it. Me. Let's do another one. I'm going to put flaps on this one and see if it'll fly straight. Let's do it. All right, my cuzzies, we're going to make one more and then we're going to have ourselves a competition. I'm going to make a white one. Check it out. Nice. What do you think's going to be the best? Do you think the white one's going to be the best? Do you think the green one's going to be the best? Maybe the orange one. This one looks fast as meow. Or is it going to be our OG, the kōwhai one? Let's go outside and figure it out, eh? All right, my cuzzies, now it's time to fly them. Firefist. Whoa, that was pretty good. Let's go for orange this time. Here we go. Don't let me down, orange. Let's go, green. Ooh, that was close, whānau. I think Karaka's still in the lead. All right, we got Ma to go. Let's see what happens. Come on. Come on. That didn't fly very well at all. I think Karaka is the winner! Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, whānau. Ka kite.
Hi, editor, we've got to go. We've had a good time.